Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So let's discuss a few more things about a top voice on LinkedIn. So you can see it right here. Okay, so I have got it for four topics. So firstly, make sure that you like if I have got writing like top voice badge. So I should be inside 5% of contributors, right? So it's like 3% of quality contributors. So it's like within 60 days. So it's after 60 days I will be maybe I can lose this badge, or maybe I can like continue with this badge. So we need to, in order to sustain with the same badge, we need to keep on working on the topic. So if I want to like stay with this badge, so I need to again look for various articles where I can contribute, say, and on a daily basis we can go for maybe 4 to 5 or 6 to 7 on one topic. Or if you have already got one batch, so in that particular topics, if I talk about writing, as I have got it for writing, so if I talk about writing, so for writing I can cover three questions on a daily basis. Or even if I'm missing on some days, so that's completely fine, so it's not a big thing. Okay, so let me show you, just give me 1 second. Okay, so you can see it right here. Okay, so I've got it for four. It's for writing also. So to maintain this writing badge, I will be covering a few more articles on a daily basis, so that I can just stay with this badge. Okay. And also, if I want to get a few more badge, like you can see content creation, right? So I will be clicking here. You can see this. And but before that, what I'll do is I'll just work on those topics where I think that if I am contributing my time, so I can get badge more, like more quickly. If I talk about resume writing, so it's like 18% at the moment. Okay, so we can look for that. So let's look for resume writing. Okay, we can write it here, or do one thing, just go to all. You can see it all here, right? So just go to all. From there you can see it. We need to go to resume writing. Okay, or even smo, like a few days back we covered smo, so I can cover more questions on smo, more articles on smo, and then I can get the badge. But I want to cover more articles on resume writing, because I am about to touch that resume writing like badge also. But trust me, I think it's better if you start, like I am planning to do it. So if I start working on a particular topic, say if I talk about marketing, so I can just work on marketing. I can come up with various articles on LinkedIn. I can come up with various videos on LinkedIn. I can come up with various carousel posts on LinkedIn. And doing this, I can get this that blue badge. So yeah, I think we can also achieve that, but this is something that we need to work on a daily basis, right? So also it is very common, like anyone can get it, so it's too much, it's something that like very common. If just that, if you are conveying some valuable time on LinkedIn, so, and also in order to make your say account stand out of remaining crowd, just I would say top level, but that medium level, if you want to hold that medium level account on say LinkedIn, so you can go for this batch. Okay, so that's not, there is no harm in achieving these kind of badges. So because there are people who will be saying that it's not good, because we need to strive like on a daily basis, or say on a regular basis, to get or to sustain with the badge. Okay, so this is not the case when it comes to that blue badge. So it's like permanent. Once you'll get it, so it's with you for lifetime. And also you need not to pay for it, like we used to take that LinkedIn, say golden LinkedIn premium version and all these things. So for that we need to pay something 1500, 2700, 35, based on various say sales, or a career, or various versions of LinkedIn that they provide. So yeah, discover various topics. I think I am clicking on some different thing. I need to click on elaborate. Okay, I was clicking on shorten. Just elaborate it, then shorten it, then copy from here, paste it here, and try to cover on a daily basis. Is there anything wrong or what? Elaborate. Okay, on a daily basis, try to cover around 6 to 7 articles on one topic to get it within a few days. I think there is some issue. Sensitive work resume. Okay. Suppose if you are not getting, though you will be getting it, let's do one thing. Let's rephrase. Many a times it will be like it won't work, like that elaborating won't work, or maybe they'll ask. I think there is we are still learning and can't. Okay, there is some issue with this. Okay, this is new question. What AI does is, okay, I think this is very new question, so it would be hard to get answer on Google too. Maybe just AI generated answer will be there. So it's the same. You can see it here from LinkedIn. So what we can do is we can just click here. If you can't get answers from Google document, just go there, copy it, come back here on Google document. Okay, come back here, paste it, and then again select it, then again rephrase it. That's it. Okay. After rephrasing it, replace it. Let me check it once. Okay, replace it, then copy it, come back here, contribute, add, done. Okay, let's go for a few more. Resume writing. Okay, and let's cover tough ones where there are not a lot of no so much of answers are there, so we can go with this. Only 5 contributions are there, because it's always good to cover those topics that nobody else is covering, right? So yeah, just let's do it. See, now even we can cover this question, right? Delegation skills. Delegation is something like contributing a task between members, so we can easily write good answers of this. But still, if we will sit and start typing on these kind of articles, so it is going to consume a lot of time of us. Okay, from us. So we are not at all going to do this, because we need to cover multiple answers, right? So in order to cover multiple answers, it's always great to use AI tools, especially where it is not at all going to add, say, any kind of, like, it is not at all going to affect you if you are using this AI thing. Now you can see it right here, from 18% it is going, it has came to 16% of quality contributors to resume writing. Maybe tomorrow I'll touch it to 8%, or maybe if I'll keep on writing tomorrow too, so maybe after day after tomorrow I can make it to, like, I can get the badge. So that's how, like, if we are writing 2 to 3 articles, so we can truly make it possible. Okay, let's go for this also. So these are the questions where we can easily cover maybe 3 to 4 lines, but I don't think that we need to sit and we need to write these things. Okay, so when we have to, so why don't, like, why we should avoid it? We should use it, obviously. So let's just use it. Replace, then copy it again, shorten, again replace, copy it again, come back here. Okay, now let's not cover this topic. Okay, so yeah, just wanted to talk about this. You can just keep on covering various topics. So in order to go to all topics, just click on any article that you have got, and you can see here it's all. Okay, then click on all, and from all you can see it here, more to explore, marketing, public administration. Those who are in UPSC or something like this, they can cover this. Those who are in medical field, they can cover this. Those who are in engineering, they can cover this. Those who are in IT sector, CSIT or things, they can cover this. sustainability, environment, or like things reuse, recyclable, these things they can cover this. Ambient, all this thing they can cover this. There are various things, HR management and content management, financial management, organic search, user interface design, like various kind of topics are there that you can cover. Okay, so SMO. And then you can also click on see all topics, and you can even go for like alphabetically you can also go. So if I plan to go for any, say, NLP, we know natural language program processing or programming something. So if I am clicking on it, you can see it here, NLP. Or let's talk about any other topic. What is it? Or for radioactive elements maybe. Okay, so it's like you can see it here, like various topics. Research, okay, research is also a great. R&D, okay, you can see it here. There are various topics, retail marketing, then revenue forecasting. You can see a lot of topics are there. So you can just go for it, select based on your niche, your interest, your area of say where you want to get into the various opportunities. So if you are getting that best, so people can approach you, so you can look for or strive for these kind of topics. Okay, so I hope this video is good or insightful for all of you. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. Also, if you have any kind of doubt in this, and if you have got these kind of mails, okay, like your expertise is required or something, but still you are trying to get the badge, but still you are not at all able to get it, just let me know. I'll help you and I'll make it possible for you. If you want this badge for your profile, just comment below and let me know the issue. So I'll just try my best to help you, and obviously you will get it. Okay, it's not a big deal, so we can get it within a week. So yeah, this is Tune. Bye bye and take care.